Start by moving your seat as far forward as it will go. Then remove the two T45 torque fasteners at the seat rails as indicated by the green arrows. Next, you will have to remove the seat belt from the front seat. Lever off the rear trim panel on the front seat to expose the seat belt fastener, green arrow. Then remove the T45 torque seat belt fastener, green arrow. Move the seat belt out of your way. Once you remove the front seat rail fasteners, move the seat as forward as it will go. Then remove the two T45 torque mounting fasteners at the rear seat rails. Once the seat belt and fasteners are removed from your seat, tilt the seat backwards to expose the seat module electrical connector, green arrow. Remove electrical connector from the seat by unlocking the tabs using a flathead screwdriver, then slide the connector off the mounting bracket towards the back of the car. Disconnect the electrical connector by sliding the release tab with a flathead screwdriver and separating the connector. You can now remove the seat from the vehicle. Cover the door entrance strip with a towel or old blanket to protect it from damage. Then remove the seat from the vehicle. To install, reverse the removal steps. For the rear seat, start by removing the rear seat cushion. Pull up on the front corners of the seat cushion to disengage the cushion retainer. Then lift the seat cushion up and out of the vehicle. Next, you have to remove the two fasteners at the center of the rear seat back cushion, green arrows. Use a T45 torque bit to remove them. The fasteners are located at the center of the seat back cushion between the seat belt buckles. Next, you have to remove the rear seat back cushion. This part is a little tricky, just because accessing the release in the trunk requires you to bend in unnatural ways. The green arrows point to the seat back lock. You have to use a flathead screwdriver and lever the release, green arrow, away from the release stop, yellow arrow. While you lever, push the seat back towards the interior of the vehicle. You will know when it releases as it frees up a bit from the body. Now tilt the back seat cushion forward and pull it up to remove from the side mounting points. Once out, remove the cushion from the vehicle. To install the rear seat, reverse the removal instructions. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.